has got to be one of the worst intros I have ever seen. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a Triumph TR6. Obviously it's not mine because insurance companies like bending teenagers over, so it's my dad's. Now he's had this car for God knows how long, and I've only remembered it running once and we broke down halfway up the lane. We only made it about 20 feet. But since then it has undergone a lot of, maintenance. The engine's in pieces, the cylinder head is actually in my bedroom, making very nice decoration, and has done for the past 5 or so years. We recently just put the gearbox in, and now I'm trying to fit the interior. Then I've got to rebuild the engine, take all the fuel lines out and the fuel tank, clean that out because all the fuel will crystallise, brand new fuel pump, and then it should run. But British Leyland being British Leyland, building British Leyland cars, it's never going to be quite as easy as it seems. Just looking at it now, you can see that none of the panels fit because, well, British Leyland. It's also a bit of a ball ache for someone like me, this car, because I'm 6'1". And bearing in fact that I struggle to even get in it, this is going to be a bit of a challenge. Anyway, enough talking, let's get on with it. I'm ready for this car to run. Step 1, finish putting this seat in. Where did I get up to? There's the hole. I'll find it eventually, give us a second. Okay, there's the hole. Right, now I've got to thread it through the carpet to get to the chassis floor because British Leyland don't like putting studs through the chassis. Oh god. I'm trying to get this bolt through 2 layers of carpet. It's like trying to have fun with a bird who doesn't shave. Where's the fucking hole? Trying to find it through 2 layers of carpet. Is that it? No. Getting there, 1 second. I am putting it in the right hole, aren't I? Yes. It's been a while since I've had a hard time finding the hole. I'm actually having a really hard time here. Oh, I'm still stuck on the bloody carpet! Just shave for God's sake. Make sure it's properly bolted in, because if I have a crash and the seat comes off, well, that's a very quick way to earn a Darwin Award. Also try not to cross thread it, that would be handy. It's meant to do that. Oh, I can't get that bolt, that's why it's loose. I had to do that one hand tight, no wonder. Love British Leyland. Okay, so the way this... Oh god. Oh, don't touch the brakes, Dutton, because the brakes aren't on the car, you'll push the cylinder out. Okay. Very comfy driving position, yes. Right, this is another genius thing done by British Leyland, of course, to make their cars unique. Then the rails are... The seat is not like... The rails are separate on this. So, like, if you don't push back square, only one of the rails on the seat will start to move and the other one will stay there, like tank tracks. It's like a skid steer. So it can actually be quite difficult to put your seat back. So difficult that my voice breaks. Probably shouldn't bounce around too much. It's on jacks that are about probably 3 times as old as me. And I'm willing to bet that what's left of them has the tensile strength of a Kit Kat. This is going to look very funny from the front of the car. Would you believe me if I said the seat was all the way back? Trying to line it now. And trying to line up the holes. Stick your finger in, Dutton, don't be shy. Is this even bolted in? I'm trying to move the seat forward. Oh great, that one isn't even bolted in. Ugh. Right, so before I can do that seat, I've got to finish doing this seat, and oh my god, it Classic cars aren't off a bloody roller coaster. If you've never been in positions like this while working on cars, you've never worked on a car before. Can I like lean the seat forward or something? No. What? Neither of the back bolts are in. That is an interesting design, to say the least. The whole seat lifts up. Oh God, now that seat's leaning back. Ugh. What? Okay, so this is the engine of the TR6. This is what is next. Just looking at it, there's a lot of work to do. Cylinder head is missing. As you notice, the battery has been replaced by a beer can. The water pump is free floating. The water pump is not actually attached at the bottom or at the top to the radiator. The alternator is coming off. Ignition coil, good enough. Ignition distributor is needs putting back together. There's a lot of stuff that needs doing, and well, I'd best get on with it. But main problem right now is it is filthy in this engine bay. Even with the engine cover closed, or the bonnet as it's called, Dutton, even with that closed, it's there's a load of spider webs, there's a load of stuff under here, so before I do anything, I'm going to have to clean the engine. And I'm not going to film myself doing that because I doubt that you lot want to see me cleaning again. Right, after that, it's everything to do with fuel. And then it's the brakes, and then we'll have to give it a test, see if it works. Well, I can definitely procrastinate this project. It's now my 21st birthday. Yes, I'm working on a car on my 21st birthday. Aren't I sad? Anyway, so, engine, at least the engine block, is clean, head gasket is in. I've also reassembled the cylinder head. So, I've now got to somehow get this big hunk of metal over here. Now, I've looked on Google and they said either have a engine hoist, which I can't do, or get in the engine bay. So, guess I'm just going to try and get in it now. I don't like this. Oh God, the panel is going up my crack. I haven't really thought this one through, have you, Dutton? I have to get your old man into... Oh, that's a weird feeling. It's quite nice, actually. This is time to roll up your sleeves and get this in. And I've just realised I've forgotten to do something. I actually have forgotten to do something as well. Okay, right, that's all pre-lubed up. Right, now I can put the cylinder head in. It's never as easy as 1, 2, 3, is it? Never is. I'm actually going to put both my feet in. Okay. Well, now I can't get the cylinder. Shit. Please, for the love of God, Dutton, be careful. Right, pick this up. Okay. Got it. Who is trying to call me now? Hello? Hi. Can I help you, darling? Well, I'm here now. How do I get this on here without damaging anything or hurting myself? Does it look like I know what I'm doing yet? Yes, this is better. This is a lot better. Alright, now I've got to somehow get this on and not get my fingers in it. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. But it's not supposed to look like that. Well, I've kind of done it. It really is a test of my jack stance. Now, I was supposed to take the exhaust manifold out of this, but this is actually a custom exhaust that my dad welded up so it doesn't come out. If I take this out, I have to take the whole exhaust system out. And in layman's terms, I can't be bothered. Ow, bastard. Ooh. Is that it? Is that it in? Have I done it? Is that it in? Okay, now I've got to get out. Okay, right. How do I do the opposite of how I got in here? I know I'm not exactly Chris Fix, but come on. Surely there's someone out there who's impressed by me. Wow, is that a young man working with his hands? And not in a coffee shop? Or McDonald's? So I've had to call upon my local car whisperer. Some say he got the first ever speeding ticket. But all I know is it's my dad. We found the bolts for that, so we just need to make the gasket.
Yes, so we're just doing the...
Making a gasket out of a beer box. You're not. Go on, really push your thumb in there. Yeah. Be firm with it. Right then.
I'll go and get another piece of card and some scissors.
I've got some scissors.
Have you? Oh, yeah, I've got them. You're going to have to drink some more beer. It's some more beer cardboard. It's a good excuse for drinking beer.
It is a fantastic excuse, yes. Watching an old man do craft.
It's not recording now, is it?
No, it's recording.
What? Look, we made a gasket out of
a beer box.
beer box. It even says Carling there.
Well, it says Carling somewhere.
It says Carling somewhere.
Yeah.
It means we had to drink all the beer to make a gasket.
Yes. We have got this on the right side, haven't we?
We have got it correct. So, this likewise gets more smear to this side. It's a ½ inch.
½ inch. I remember pulling it out from underneath.
Ah, yes, underneath the manifold.
Yes.
In fact, there's something manifolds in the way.
Well, that's why I took the bottom pipe off, so I could get it out.
Ah, so it might have to... Oh, it's got to work.
There we are.
There we go.
Excellent.
Look at that. Right. But you go to the other side.
Yep. I don't want to do this one up too tight because this one holds the alternator on.
Yes. Well, you actually still torque it down. You can always slacken it off and put the alternator. You've got to get that sealed in right now, having got the gasket go on.
Yes. Right, there we are.
Torque and setting. Right, you can actually just keep screwing it up. There we go. Torque and settings. Water pump. It's not got a lot. It's 14 to 16 pounds per square foot.
Right then.
You've got a water pump pulley. Oh, hang on. Where's the pulley? That's the pulley.
That's the pulley there.
Yeah, right. Just one moment, okay. Well, yeah, keep going, but not too tight. Water pump stud nut. Water pump securing bolts, here we go, 18 to 20.
£18 to £20
pounds per foot. Perfect.
Pipes.
Oh, I know about that. But that,
Yeah.
yes. Where is it?
It's just fallen.
Yes, don't want to lose that.
Yep. Got it here.
Oh, you talked about right, but mustn't
taking that pipe off.
lose it, and we mustn't forget it either, because it's this is for your that works your Kenlow fan, and this is a temperature gauge which goes into there like a little thermometer. This goes around there and stops it from leaking.
Right.
So we mustn't lose it.
Okay, so due to a great many number of annoying reasons, we have to end this video now. Mostly technical difficulties with the editing team, that is me. So, what we've got done, we've made some good progress. Interior is back in. We've got the cylinder head. Back in, cylinder head, water pumps in. So, now I'm left with a bit of a challenge. This car was originally on carburettors. I want to get it off carburettors and back to injection. But there's a lot of stuff left over from the carburettors. So, I need to sort all that out, and then it's just a case of bolting everything back together. And then I've got to change all the fuel lines, and drop the fuel tank, and replace the fuel pump. But then after that, it's all done. After I put the brakes on, and the wheels back on. And then maybe it'll be done.
And the new bonnet.
Oh, new bonnet, but that will be for another time because, yeah, this one doesn't line up, and I've got a new one that does line up, but it's the wrong colour. Yeah, that's it, right. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and all that. And, well, if you like this sort of stuff, stick around.